Hello guys, I'm Heikki and today I'm going to show you the upgrade kit for the KTM 65 and the Husqvarna 65. Very important product of the kit is the piston. This is not a dome piston, this is a special flat top piston with a 12-degree angle. It must be used with a matching insert where the squeeze is parallel to the piston. We have different options of inserts: low compression, mid compression and high compression. You can all fit in a completely CNC machined cylinder head cover, which has a better water flow and keep the temperature consistent about the whole race. Further, we have a power valve system. This one is different than the stock one. The stock one has the spring in the cylinder and this one has it on top of the power valve. It's a very soft spring. It's a dual stage spring which will give you much better throttle response. All these parts work together at best with a high inertia crankshaft. This crankshaft will give you much better performance and less wheel spin with the start. Further, we have an ACS exhaust system in silencers in aluminium, blue and orange. And also we have an exhaust extension which has a better fitment and a better quality than the original cast exhaust extension. Thank you for watching and see you next time.